Hello, students. Welcome to week 4, Broad-Based Strategies for Community Transformation. I'm doing an introductory video this week because the materials are a little bit complicated. So let me explain what they are and how they work together. So you have 2 videos that you will watch right after this one that are old. They actually go back to 2021, but they're really good. If I do say so myself, they're really good. They're exactly what I would want to say to you in relationship to the most common models for social transformation, how they are similar and how they are different. So we're looking at, in these videos, we're looking at community development, classic community organizing, activism or mobilization, advocacy, and transformational organizing. And we are looking at how each of them defines the core problems and their proposal for solutions, strategic solutions that flow from those problems, their theories of change, in other words. However, I have changed the readings since 2021. In 2021, Piles had not yet written her book. And I, instead, to try to find a book that talked more about 21st century organizing with an overview, I used a public health text. Right now, you actually, I think, only have 1 chapter or maybe 2 at the most from that public health text. But I used it as a basic text because it does integrate models. And I wanted to show how those models could be integrated. That's the Minkler text. This time I'm giving you Piles. That's a new book. It's an excellent book. I'm giving you Sen, who does the best 21st century explanation of classic community organizing that I know. And she's also, apart from being an author, she's absolutely an amazing organizer. So what I'm doing at the very end, so you're seeing both those, and then I have a short video at the end that brings in some and connects these other videos. It brings in information from Piles and Sen and connects these 2 videos with what they offer. Lastly, you have an option. There is a link to an archive of interviews with high-quality community organizers all over the United States at Brown University. And I have given you the link to some of those videos. If you want, instead, you'll have 2 options in your discussion, in your initial post for your discussion forum this week. One option will be to think about an issue that matters to you, that's appropriate for these kinds of models, and then to tell me how you would use one or more of these models to respond to that issue. Or you can look at a video of one of those interviews and you can comment on that video in the light of everything you've learned so far in this class. So you will have 2 options for your first post for the discussion forum. And of course, for those of you who are in the bilingual discussion group, you only have 1 post, but you still have 1 post. So you can either look at one of these videos and then write the post based on that video, your analysis, or you can think of a problem that matters to you and think about how what you're learning in this class would be useful in solving that problem.